Hi guys, going a little off script and off the beaten path today. I know this is a tool channel and a channel about fixing stuff, but I think maybe this country needs fixing too. So while I don't want to necessarily be misleading and attract uh, the wrong audience for our community here, um, I guess I just want to have a little toolbox talk about what's going on in this country. Um, Today, we memorialize what happened 24 years ago and the terrorist attacks on New York City, Pennsylvania, and our U.S. Capitol. We remember those that were lost during that day, our firefighters, New York Police Department. But then we had our foundation shaken again yesterday with Charlie Kirk. Uh, I, in no way, shape, or form, want to uh, invite political talk onto this channel. I I don't want to hear it. I don't want to entertain it. I don't. We're all tired of political talk. We all have our own beliefs, and that's fine. I'm glad that we can come together on this channel and agree on tools. Even if you're a Snap-on person or a Mac person or Macco person, or whether you like the icons like most of us here seem to like on this channel, uh, we can all still get along at the end of the day. We're going to have our disagreements, but we can all still get along at the end of the day. Um, but what happened to Charlie yesterday? That should never happen. Now this guy's got two beautiful young kids that are going to be without a dad, and I'm sure most of you has probably seen the video if you cared to see it. Uh, those kids will be haunted by that the rest of their lives. His wife, she's going to be haunted by that the rest of her life. Shoot, even the rest of us, if you've seen that video, and I wouldn't advise going and looking for it if you haven't seen it. I wouldn't. Don't do it. um, we've got the JFK video. There's a Zapruder film out there. Um, Martin Luther King Jr. I mean, there's just so many times that politics have led to stuff like this and people having their lives taken away from them for what they believe, just because it doesn't align with what someone else believes. Let's fix America. What is going on with this country? I just don't know which way to turn. You can't turn on the news and know which way, what to believe. What happened to the days of, Dan Rather or one of those guys from back then coming on and they just tell you what's going on, like it or not. Uh, the facts were the facts, and that's just what they did. And they left all their political bias out of it, and their religious beliefs and everything else. They left all that out of it. Um, I don't have any problem at all, telling everybody that I'm a Christian and I believe in God and I believe that Jesus is going to return one day, and maybe the sooner the better. The things are just really getting out of control these days. I don't know what to do to fix this country. Obviously, that's the reason I'm not in power in this country. I don't know what to do. Um, you know, let's have a discussion in the comments. But please, if you get into the comments, leave politics out of it. Leave all your personal bias out of it. And just, I don't want to create discord amongst our community. Maybe I shouldn't even post this video, but I'm curious to know your thoughts, and I may end up regretting some of the comments that I'll get from. I think our community is going to be fine, but maybe some outside viewers that this video may attract. I hope I don't have to get in and moderate comments and delete comments, but I will, because I don't want the hatred and the. I, you guys know what we're doing here. Like I said, this is a little off topic, and I'm sorry, but I had to vent. Been a lot going on, with my household and my family the last couple of days. And so my heart's just heavy, and my mind's heavy right now. And I just needed a vent and get a moment out here at the toolbox, just putting my thoughts out there. I'll try to keep this stuff to a minimum, but I feel like, some of you people, even though we've never met, I may not, even because of your YouTube account or whatever, I may not even know what your real name is. But I feel like we've all kind of become friends anyway. So for me to put this on there, for you guys to share in it and open up the comments and express your grievances, one way or the other. Like I said, no hate, no politics, none of that stuff. Just keep it civil and keep it PG-13 and be respectful of one another. But let's have a conversation in the comments. I'll go ahead and put it up there. I've got an old trusty sitting here still. If you haven't already entered, once we hit 1,000 subscribers, if you subscribe to the channel and comment #icon for the win, we'll do a random drawing giveaway for this icon set here, a 1/4-inch drive modular general service set. That's not going to fix America, but it could help you with some of your projects around the house or in your toolbox at work or wherever you may need it. God bless y'all, and God bless America.